Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Thanks for joining me today. For those of you who are new here, on this channel we share helpful tutorials and how-to guides. In today's video, I'm going to show you on how to fix WhatsApp photos not showing in Android Gallery. So if you want to know how to do it, just keep on watching. So if WhatsApp photos are not showing in the Android gallery, it could be due to several reasons, such as improper settings, media visibility settings, or cache issues. Here are some troubleshooting steps to fix the issue. First is to check media visibility settings. So to do this, just go ahead and follow these 4 steps. So first, open the WhatsApp app on your Android device and tap on the 3 vertical dots or the menu option or button in the top right corner. Go to Settings, then select Chats, and look for the Media Visibility option. Ensure that it is enabled. If it is disabled, WhatsApp media won't appear in the gallery. Next is to restart your device. Okay, sometimes a simple restart can resolve various issues. Restart your Android device and check if the WhatsApp photos appear in the gallery after the reboot. Next is to clear cache, WhatsApp cache. Okay, so to do this, just go ahead and follow these 6 steps. So first, open your device's settings. Go to Apps or Application Manager, depending on your device, and find and select WhatsApp. Tap on Storage, then click on the Clear Cache to remove WhatsApp cached data. Now, restart your device and check if the issue is resolved. Okay. Next is to check file permissions. Ensure that WhatsApp has the necessary permissions to access and store media on your device. So to do that, go to Settings, then select Apps, then WhatsApp, and then Permissions. Enable all necessary permissions such as storage and camera. Now, update WhatsApp. Check if there is a pending update for WhatsApp on Google's Play Store. An outdated version might have compatibility issues. Update the app for the latest version and see if it resolves the problem. Next is to refresh the media library. Some Android devices have a media scanner or media rescan option in the gallery app settings. Use this option to rescan and refresh the media library. So it should pick up WhatsApp photos. Next is to disable third-party gallery apps. If you are using a third-party gallery app, try disabling it temporarily and use the default gallery app. Sometimes, third-party apps may not recognize WhatsApp media correctly. And lastly, check SD card if applicable. If your media is stored on an SD card, make sure the SD card is properly inserted and functional. Check if the gallery app can access media from both internal storage and the SD card. If none of the previous steps solve the issue, it is possible that there might be an underlying problem with the WhatsApp installation. In such cases, you can try uninstalling and reinstalling WhatsApp. Before doing this, make sure to back up your chats and media Google Drive or your device's internal storage to avoid any data loss. And that's it for this video. I hope this video helped you, and if it did, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the bell notification so you won't miss a video. See you on the next one, and have a great day!